Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger coupe provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, heated and ventilated seats, and power windows. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.